Dear friends, welcome to Learning About. In this video, I'm going to share information regarding 4 different off-campus recruitments. Now, all these 4 recruitments are almost open all the time, but this time I saw that there is a small update in these recruitments. Okay, so that's why I'm sharing this information. So sometime back around in June, I had put information regarding the Accenture hiring. At that time, they had mentioned like 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24. They had mentioned 4 batches are eligible. Now they have kind of mentioned it as any year of passing out till 2024, but which I still think like it will be only for the recent batches, not exactly for any batch. But anyhow, there is an update in the page, so I'm sharing this information. So I'm just sharing a word of caution here regarding the Accenture recruitment. So you just try to apply. You look at the eligibility criteria. You try to apply. See if you are getting the the communication regarding the test. But sometimes like the link, like even though link is active, like they don't really send an application. Okay, no, at least not to all the candidates. Okay, let's say for example, if you have applied recently or for some other reason, maybe based on your marks, okay, for some other reason like they don't actually send you the communication regarding the next level of process, okay, or sometimes based on the branch or some specific reasons, okay, they immediately send you a reject a mail. Okay, so all these things can happen. So just have just word of caution, just go through the eligibility criteria and then the process and then give it a try. Okay, so as far as Accenture is concerned, there are 2 different hirings. Okay, one is the typical associate software engineer hiring, okay, what is called as the packaged app development associate. Here they have changed the name the last couple of years. Okay, so first one is the ASE hiring, for which the engineering and related branches are eligible, and other one is the SASA hiring, for which the non-engineering graduates are eligible. I'll share the complete detailed hiring details, okay, the eligibility criteria, and I'm also sharing the WIPRO hiring details here. Okay, one is the WIPRO WILP hiring, which is also like always open, but this time they have mentioned like 15th November as the last date there, and also there is a WIPRO SIM hiring for the diploma candidates. Okay, so I'll be sharing all these details, including the eligibility criteria, what will be the selection process, and also like how to apply and all that, right? So first I'll start with the Accenture ASE hiring, the application software, the associate software engineer hiring, again what is called as the packaged app development associate here. Okay, so the location to which they are hiring is kind of pan India hiring. Okay, so the location includes Bangalore, like Hyderabad, Pune, Mumbai, Chennai, Gurugram, Kolkata, Indore, Jaipur, Coimbatore, Ahmedabad and Bhubaneswar. These are the locations. Okay, and so who are eligible for this hiring? BE and BE, BTech, ME, MTech, like any branch is eligible. MBA graduates are, MCA graduates are eligible, and in MSc select departments like computer science, IT, computer applications, data science and computer science and applications. These branches are eligible. So as I said in the beginning, any year of pass out they have mentioned till 2024, that is 2024, 23, 2022, etc. These batches are eligible. Okay, and you should not have any active backlogs, that's one condition, and should not have more than 23 months of full-time experience, right? And you should not have appeared for the Accenture process in the last 3 months, etc. is what they have mentioned. Okay, and so as far as job description is concerned, you can just go through the job description, right? So overall they are saying that you will be involved in design, building and testing and assembling and supporting and configuring applications, etc., right? And you may be into like some kind of testing automation, automation testing. You may be into automation testing and something like that. Just go through this. So they are giving like different option. It could be like something related to testing, or like some kind of a development, etc. So you can just go through this job description. And as far as the process is concerned, okay, so first you have a mock assessment, and then you have the actual assessment, wherein you have the cognitive and testing assessment. So first you will have 50 questions including English ability, critical thinking and problem solving, and abstract thinking. And so you will find videos related to the aptitude and reasoning in our channel Learning About. And as far as the English ability is concerned, you will find our practice platform link, which is provided there. You can find the English related questions. that's about 50 questions, and then you have the technical assessment wherein you have 40 questions related to common applications and MS Office, and also like pseudocode, and also on fundamentals of networking, security, and cloud. Okay, again this we don't have videos, but we have practice platform wherein you will find like technical questions. All the relevant links are given there. Now those who qualify this round, okay, so you'll have to wait for 5 to 10 minutes. Those who qualified the assessment one will be called for the will be allowed to perform the second round, okay, which will be the coding assessment. Now this will happen for about 45 minutes. Okay, you will get 2 questions, and you can answer in any of the languages like C, C++, .NET, Java, or Python. And then there is a third round of communication assessment, okay, wherein you will be given like 30 minutes. Okay, now I think this will happen at a separate time, may not be immediately during the like first 2 assessments. This may happen at a separate time. So here you will be tested on your sentence mastery, vocabulary, fluency, and pronunciation, and then subsequently, like those who qualify all these 3 rounds will be called for the interview. And the interview like will have a combination of technical and HR questions. Okay, your technical questions will be based on basics of computers, and also like your whatever you have learned in your engineering, or like in your graduation engineering or postgraduate engineering, okay, accordingly, or MSc relevant branches or MCA, it will be based on that. Okay, so this is on the selection process. Okay, now how to apply I'll share after sharing the SASA details. Okay, SASA hiring details. So now coming to SASA, again the locations, like it's given here: Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Coimbatore, Gurugram, Pune, Kolkata, Nagpur, Indore, Mumbai, Jaipur, etc. And so if you see who are eligible to apply: BSc, BCA, BBA, BA, BCom. So all these graduates are eligible to apply. Any branch can apply. But with an exception of like, so BE, BTech cannot apply, and ME, MT, that is who are eligible for ASE cannot apply here. Okay, and here also they have mentioned like any year of passed out, so 2024, 2023, 22, etc. can apply for this. And if you applied in the last 3 months, you cannot apply. And like you should not have any like active backlogs, right? And you should have completed your degree in the stipulated time, and you should not have experience more than 23 months, right? And coming to the job description, like you can like look at the job description here. So you'll be like working on either a no or a low code development, or you'll be into some application or cloud support, or you'll be doing some infra managed services, etc. So you can like or you might be related to some kind of a testing support, etc. So you can just go through the job description and then see this. And so coming to the selection process, so you have the first round will be an English ability and critical thinking, and like abstract thinking, that is aptitude, reasoning, and verbal ability. So those who qualify this okay, will be called for the next round. Now the next round you will have questions related to basics of like computer science. Okay, some kind of a pseudocode, maybe pseudocode in the sense okay, what will be the output of this program, like that kind of a question is possible. Okay, so that will be the second round here. And those who qualify that, okay, will be called for the third round, which will be the communication round. And those who qualify all these 3 rounds will be called for the interview. So here again they'll be asking regarding like what you have done like in your graduation, related to questions related to that, and maybe something some basics on computers and internet and networking, etc. you can expect. Okay, now how to apply for this? Now almost the form is common for both like SASA and ASE, so I'll just show it at one go. So you have to fill in your basic information like your name, university registration number, your email ID, your primary contact number, whether you want to receive Accenture communications in WhatsApp, okay, your date of birth, your gender, your city, okay, and then your current address and like permanent address, etc. And what is your education details, okay, and if you have any experience you can share those details. And then what is your primary skill and secondary skill, etc. So something like like say C++ or cloud, okay, Hadoop, Android, ASP.NET, okay, Oracle, whatever is your primary skill, secondary skill, you can share those details. And if you have completed any international certifications, you can share those details. And then whatever is your like if you have any a diploma or graduation in any foreign languages, or if you have done any course in any foreign languages, you can show or share all those details. And they'll ask you, they're also asking for your preferred job location, like 1, 2 and 3 options they're asking for. You can give that. And so have you completed your degree in the stipulated time? Have you any got any backlogs currently, etc.? So all these questions they're asking. And also you have to upload your latest CV, your passport size photograph, and you have to upload a recent, you have to upload your government ID card. But how government ID card, here they're permitting only PAN card. So you should definitely have a PAN card. If you don't have a PAN card, you can just apply for it online and then get at least an e-PAN card in a couple of days, and then you can apply for this, right? Now if you have any questions regarding this particular hiring, you can post your questions in the comment section below. I'll be very happy to share whatever information that I have. Okay, next I'll be talking about the WIPRO hiring. Now WIPRO hiring, so first one is for the diploma candidates. Now this is like a work and learn kind of a program, wherein you will be working for WIPRO. At the same time you will be getting a BE degree, okay, maybe from institutes like Pitts Pilani, etc. So now as you work, you'll be getting a salary, which here in this case is not exactly a salary, it's more like a stipend, wherein you'll be getting like 12,400 per month in the first year, and then second year it will be like 15,400, third year it will be like 17,500, and fourth year it will be like 19,600. okay. And so the eligibility here is 10th pass, a 12th pass if you have from a 12th background, or if you are just 10th and diploma, should have got minimum of 50% in your diploma. So if you are from diploma of computer science or IT or electronics or telecommunications or computer engineering or ECE or computer technology or computer science and technology, EEE, etc., with minimum of 50%, and if you are from 2023, 2024 and 2025 batch, you can apply for this. Okay, the selection process is like 80 minutes you have, so verbal and analytical and quantitative aptitude and written communication, all this like 20 minutes each. Now in our channel Learning About, we have videos related to verbal and reasoning and QA, and for verbal we can refer to our practice platform. Okay, so those who qualify this first round will be called for the business discussion, which will be like interview, okay, more like a technical interview, and then the third round will be HR interview, and then kind of a pre-skill training, and then subsequently you'll be given the job offer. But please remember, you have a bond to sign here. Okay, the bond duration is like 4 years, right? If you break the bond, you'll have to pay some amount to WIPRO. Okay, so this is you work for WIPRO and you get a engineering degree. Okay, now the last day to apply for this is 15th of November. Now this is the WIPRO SIM hiring. The next one is WIPRO WILP hiring. Again, the last day to apply is 15th of November, and here the stipend is like 15,400 in the first year, and the second year it is in the first year it is 15,400, second year it is 17,000, and third year it is 19,600, and the fourth year it is 23,000. And there is also a joining bonus of 75,000, but I think which will be given like maybe end of in year or something like that. Okay, and so here you should pass in 10th, 12th, and in graduation you should have minimum of 60%. And so 2023 and 2024 passed outs, BSc graduates who are from computer science or IT or mathematics or statistics or electronics and physics can apply for this. Okay, and so you should have studied core mathematics as one of your subjects, and you can just go through the eligibility criteria, etc. And as far as the the selection process is concerned, similar to SIM. So you have about 80 minutes test, a verbal 20 minutes 20 questions, and reasoning 20 minutes 20 questions, aptitude 20 minutes 20 questions, and written communication 20 minutes. So in our channel Learning About, we have videos related to quantitative aptitude and verbal. Quantitative aptitude and reasoning. For verbal, we have questions in our practice platform. So all the relevant links are provided in the description below. And so those who qualify the first round will be called for the technical interview, which they call it as the business discussion. And so third round will be HR. Those who qualify will be called for the HR discussion, and then finally the service agreement will be given. Finally the offer will be given. But please remember, there is a bond that you should sign for 5 years of duration. Okay, if you break the bond, you'll have to pay around 75,000 or something. So just decide, well before you apply for this. Okay. So as I said in the beginning, the last day to apply is the 15th of November. So now how to apply for this WIPRO hiring? I've made a separate video on how to apply in the Superset platform. So this hiring is through the Superset platform. You can go through that and apply for this. With this, I have come to the end of this video. I hope the information that I have provided here was useful to you. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.